It's time to go ahead and start our assignments. When you click on the assignment, Project 1A flyer, and load it in a new window, you will notice the Pearson portal has 4 steps to complete an assignment and submit it for grading. Step number 1 is you have to go ahead and download the materials. These are all the resources you'll need to complete the assignment. There is typically instructions, a blank document for you to work with, which should have your name with it, and any other files that are needed to complete the assignment. Let's go ahead and download those files. I am using Chrome exclusively with this class, and you'll notice it downloaded the files as a zip. I'm going to show that in the Finder, and you can see here the student files are in a zip, and if you click on it, it will go ahead and unzip, uncompress all the files needed for the class. There's the bird, the text, again, the blank file, and instructions. Somewhere on your computer, you should have a way that you're saving these assignments, and I showed you in a previous video. I've taken mine in Microsoft Word, Chapter 1. 1A flyer is my first assignment. I'm simply going to grab the 3 needed assignments and drop them in that folder so I know exactly where to find them. Now that your assignments have been downloaded and stored on your hard drive where you can find them, let's go ahead and close the starting materials. You will notice that step 2 is now work assignment on your computer. The preview steps are the steps that are the same as a file that you've downloaded. These steps will essentially ask you to launch the Word file, which in this case happens to be a blank file, and then follow the instructions in your Pearson textbook. The instructions in your e-textbook for Microsoft Word start on page 149, and the assignment 1A flyer starts on page 152. You can see as you go through the instructions, there's a lot of pictures, a lot of steps, everything you need to do to go ahead and complete the assignment. To change pages, you'll notice the 152. Next, we'll get you to the very next page. Before you get started, I would like to remind you that you'll notice there is an alert. We are submitting all of our assignments as an auto-graded project. That's why it is important to start out exactly, not with a blank document, but with the document that you previously downloaded. Once you have completed the assignment, you'll go ahead and select Choose File. And now you're going to have to find the file that you've been working on. That's why it's so important to have a system. My system, again, was all of the classes are there. It's an Ag Business B5 class. I have an assignments folder, Microsoft Word, Chapter 1, flyer, and there is the assignment. When I click on Open, the assignment is ready to be graded, and I simply click on Submit for grading. If you have any questions, please let me know on the Ask the Professor forum.